Good morning, student. Welcome to today class. Today we will discuss lesson plan and unit plan. Learning objective of our video. The student will be able to know the meaning of lesson plan and unit plan. Student will be able to know the features of lesson plan and unit plan. Student will be able to know the steps of lesson plan and unit plan. The student will be able to know the procedure of lesson plan and unit plan. Introduction to understand lesson plan and unit plan. It is crucial to know what they stand for. The former is generally prepared by teacher to ensure the objective of teaching meet their target and learning happens successfully. The later comprises of uh, numerous lesson plan and made to serve for a long run, like for a month or a semester. Similarity between the between them are not that hard to notice, but flow some approaches, but not only differ in their purpose and objective of the of certain. If one pays close attention of unit plan and lesson plan, simple uh, template, he and she can easily comprehend the difference. To develop effective lesson plan, teacher will want to utilize unit plan design. These design are gathered towards helping teacher to organize and plan what will be done in the classroom in order to help students achieve long-term goals that have been be set for the class. Think of them as the in between step in breaking establish year long plan into lesson plans teacher used to plan daily classroom experiences. As teacher complete their year long planning, specify them will emerge which will in term because individual units. For example, a year long math plan might include decimal operation and then unit of place, value, money and measurement might develop. The focus of the planning continues to narrow from the year-long plans to unit plans. Mayors and mayors in 1995 list 6 components that each unit plan should contain. Set goal and objectives for student. Using content standard, teacher can begin to create a unit plan by identifying what they want a student to accomplish. This plan should include identifying goal in the form of what a student should know or be able to accomplish upon completion of the unit. An example of science goals might be the student will be able to identify and stay the process of all the uh, major organ of a cell. Second step, choose content. Working within a unit, teacher must identify all of the content that need to be taught. For example, a unit on the decimal might including adding, subtracting, multiplying, and uh, dividing number that contain decimals. Third step, choose instructional method. Here, the teacher will address the teaching method that he or she will be used. This is an opportunity movement to consider the special need of student in the classroom. While instruction include direct interaction, uh, cooperative learning experience, or the reteaching of content to a peers. Some student with writing difficulty might be require the additional assistance of peer help or uh, partially uh, completed notes. By planning ahead, teacher can include strategy to help ensure the student the success of all students. Fourth step is connect learning activities and experiences. Students need to learn the required content by the end of the unit. Learning activities should be designed to utilize the strength of the student. Determine in what circumstances uh, concrete models and example could be included to help facilitate understanding. Choose and list resources. Be sure to list all of the material necessary to complete the unit. By planning ahead, teachers will help themselves avoid a last minute rush to find the materials. They need to complete specific activities. Last step in unit plan is choose assessment method. Use assessment that determine whether students have meet unit objective. Select a variety of assessment such as multiple choice test, individual or group project, or research paper. Question that should be considered when deciding how student will be evaluated include: do the assessment measure memorization of content, or do they require student to apply what has been be learned? Does the evaluation device actually measure what has been be taught? What level of learning are addressed? Now, after the unit plan, we will uh, know what is the lesson plan and what step include in lesson planning. Lesson plan design. The daily lesson plan is most detailed standard based plan that a teacher will develop. It outlines the purpose and activities of what will be done on specific day or across several days. Unit plan help to the turn year-long plans into daily plan. Standard based daily lesson plan are composed of objective and activities that are based on the unit plan. The standard based daily lesson plan allow the teacher to make academic learning uh, relevant to student by inter being contact knowledge, information, processing skills, and life experiences. The daily lesson plan include the following components: lesson introduction. The teacher begins to plan each lesson by considering the student characteristics as well as the learning content. This consideration uh, entails a deep understanding of what he or she is to teach, what student should be able to do, and what performance will look like when instruction has been be completed. Lesson information include not only the content but also the learning and developmental needs of the student. The teacher must consider the time he or she has to complete the lesson and the other resources available, and should be decide whether or not the lesson should taken on the class period or several question to ask and include. Lesson topic. The lesson should be begin with the a topic derived from the adapted standard-based curriculum for a school or district, because it relate to specific information the teacher is trying to impact. The topic should be part of the large curriculum required at your grade level. However, the specific topic for the lesson may be emerge from the student question or interest. For example, a lesson about environment or space exploration from community resources. Example, though magazine work, Granda River. So, or these are caves example. So, from the local expectation include in the content standard and other topic listed in the standard. So, first you choose the lesson topic according to the content, benchmark and performance standard. Decide on the benchmark and performance standard you will address during the lesson. These may come from one content area or integrate standard and benchmark from several content areas. Remember to consider how much time you have to for the lesson. Intent, learning outcome. When first planning for instruction, teacher frequently focus on the selection of the content, teaching method and instructional material. These are all important element of instructional planning, but the entire process is more effective in attention is first directed downward instructional objective. Intent, learning outcome are tied especially to the standard or benchmark addressed in the lesson. Clarify intent, learning outcome for both the teacher and the student. Provide a focus for instructional planning. Set the stage for teaching, learning and assessment. Identify especially how learning will be evidenced. In the lesson plan, state your intent, learning outcome using the following language. By the end of the lesson, the student will be able to, for example, recognize the leaves of opinion and create a timeline or 9th century. So these are the example, or we can say student will be able to know the meaning of lesson plan or unit plan. This is the live example. Or clarify the intent learning outcome for a student by writing them on the board or through the some other visual format. Instructional resources in your planning, carefully consider the resources that will support student learning during the lessons. These might include textbooks or other reading materials, website, word processor, or other specific computer software, movies, CDs of other media, guest speaker, project supplies, including poster, uh, paper, market, paper, marker, or tape. So these are the instructional resources. Arrangement of the environment. Arranging the environment is a decision closely related to the way in which student will complete component of the lesson. Question to be considered when arranging the of the environment: will student work in cooperative group or independently? Will several activities take place during the lesson or require more than one desk arrangement? How will the transmission between activity take place? Will student move among learning content that are step up in the that are set up in the classroom? What arrangement will be best support uh, uh, movement among these uh, uh, centers? Uh, will accommodation for special need student need to be uh, made to support movement among center or any other activities? Will student need to focus attention on a screen or guest speaker at one point in the room? Uh, where will supplies be located for easier access? So consider these question whenever arrangement of the environment. Instructional activity. A good daily lesson plan will include at least the following: introduction. The beginning of the lesson should engage the student attention and focus on the topic. Uh, Remember, activities should be based on the standard based curriculum. Activity might include a challenging question, a quick survey of attitudes or belief about the topic, or a movie clip or other short media device to be uh, stimulate stimulate discussion, reviewing what the student know or have previously experienced and is a key to be activity and would be an appropriate instruction as well. Lesson development: teacher should make student aware of the intended learning outcome of lesson. Your description of each activity should include a discussion of what you will do as the teacher and what the student will do as well. It is important for a student to employ higher order thinking skills so they may apply and synthesize new content. Explain what modification will be made for special needs. Student, remember that the time frame you have established for this lesson, how long will each activity take to complete, how many activity can student realistically engage in during the time allotted. Consider all these questions when planning for instructional activities. Assessment activities during the lesson, you should monitor the student learning. Describe especially and in a measurable term how you will determine whether students have meet the intended learning outcome. For example, your description of the assessment process might include a statement such as the following: all students will actively participate in each activity. All students will complete the timeline that include the important event discussed during the lesson. All students will write a statement at the end of the class about what they learned during the lesson. Wrap up with end class with a restatement of the individual learning outcome. Decide on a way to close the activity. Will student reflect on what they have learned? Will they turn in their work or complete it as homework? How you clearly define expectation for their homework assignment? Does the homework assignment extended or completed the intent learning outcome? Teacher reflection: where you have actually taught each lesson, write a reflection on what occurred during the process. Did student meet the intent learning outcome of the lesson? Why or why not? If they consider this question, consider your part in their success. Was the time frame appropriate? Where your direction clear? Uh, did the activities you planned actually support the internal learning outcomes, or were they uh, somehow off track? Were activity adequately modified for special need learning in your classes? Watch activities would be do again. What would you do different next time? So consider these question for successful uh, outcome of the learning. It is important to recognize and incorporate student cultural and linguistic difference while developing standard based lesson. Uh, these are the references you should go through for further more detailed knowledge of unit plan and lesson plan. Now, time of MCQs, you have to four option and give appropriate answer and send your answer in my comment box. First MCQs is planning is a planning for the year. A year work, option A, yearly, option B, unit, option C, plan, option D, instruction plan. Choose appropriate answer. Second MCQs is arithmetic procedure for finding out of the extent to which the pupils have realized the objective and specification. Option A, year plan. Option B, unit plan. Option C, plan. And option D, instruction plan. Choose the correct answer. Uh, Next MCQs. Formation of unit is the step in the preparation of a year plan is to recognize the subject content of the curriculum into suitable unit. Option A, first. Option B, second. Option C, third. Or option D, 5. You have 4 options. Choose appropriate answer. Next MCQs, in determining objective, the teacher has to intelligently anticipate the extent to which the various objectives can be achieved through different. Option A, unit. Option B, formal. Option C, annual. Or option D, fixed. Choose appropriate answer. Next MCQs. The planning for the unit is known as usually after the year plan. The teacher plans the unit plan. Option A, unit plan. Option B, year plan. Option C, plan. Option D, instruction plan. Choose appropriate answer. Next MCQs. Unit is a hug collection of material and activities related to a particular topic. Option A, resources. Option B, material. Option C, subject. On option D, topic. You have 4 options. Choose correct answer. Next MCQs. Planning may make the teacher to teach. Consequence for the implementation of the plan scheme as the planning become a tedious work throughout the lesson. Option A, unit. Option B, annual. Option C, lesson. Option D, plan. Choose appropriate answer. Next MCQs. Plan help the teacher to have a holistic view of teaching learning, which may help in the organizing time and resources available at his uh, disposal. Option A, unit plan. Option B, lesson plan. Option C, annual plan. Option D, instruction. Choose appropriate answer. You have only 4 options. Next MCQs. Analysis help the teacher to have through knowledge of the subject matter. Option A, content. Option B, subject. Option C, unit. And option D, annual. Choose appropriate answer or send me your answer in my comment box. Next MCQs. Plan help teacher to inculcate certain aims with the help of certain activity throughout the year. Option A, year plan. Option B, plan. Option C, unit plan. And instruction. So choose appropriate answer. Today we will discuss the unit plan and lesson plan. In unit plan, we discuss the Mayer's and Mayer's 6 component. First component is set goal and objective for the student. This is our first component of unit plan. We discuss this component very well in our class. Next component, choose content. Working within a unit, the teacher must identify all of the content that need to be taught. So this is this topic we discuss in deeply in our lecture. Second step is choose instructional method. In this component, we discuss this is an opportunity moment to consider the special need of a student in the classroom. Will instruction include the direct instruction, cooperative learning experience, or reteaching of content to the peers? So choose the instruction method according to the need of the content, according to the need, ability, and age group of the student according to the also choose according to your interest also. So choose instruction method is also important in also important component in unit plan. Connect learning activities or experience. This is next component of the unit plan we discuss in deeply in our lecture. So student need to learn the required content by the end of the unit. Learning activity should be designed to utilize the strength of the student. Choose and list resources. Uh, be sure to list all the material necessary to complete the unit, or by planning ahead, teacher will help themselves avoid the last time rush to find the material. So this is the next component of the um, um, unit plan we discuss in deeply. Choose assessment method. uh, uh, Use assessment that determine whether the student have meet unit objective. Select a variety of assessment such as multiple choice test, individual or group project, research paper, uh, uh, MCQs, or class test. So these are the choose assessment method according to the requirement we discuss deeply in our video. Uh, then we discuss lesson plan. And lesson plan, we discuss the component of the lesson plan. First component is lesson introduction. Uh, Next component is lesson topic. We discuss deeply in our video. If you have some problem, uh, uh, so try to send me your comment in my comment box. I will explain where you have problem. Next, benchmark and performance standard. We discuss this component of the lesson. Decide on the benchmark and performance standard you will adjust during the lesson plan. Next is intended learning outcome. Uh, the first step of planning of instruction. Teacher frequently focus on the selection of the content, teaching method, and instruction material. These are all important element of instructional planning, but the entire process is more effective in attention is the first directed toward instructional objective. So what is the main purpose? Why you selecting the topic? What type of method you use in the lesson? These all collectively efforts for achieving instructional objective. Instructional objective, whenever you select proper instructional objective, the outcome of the topic 100%. So for intent learning outcomes we discuss in deeply. Instructional resources, then we discuss arrangement of the environment. In this slide we discuss many questions. I suggest you many questions to ask before uh, 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 arranging the environment. Instructional activity, in this slide we discuss the different types of instruction activity. uh, uh, Teacher reflection, this is for better planning of the lesson for next time. So we also discuss this uh, teacher reflection. In this slide, we discuss uh, uh, many questions according to reflection of the teacher. Then these are the references. Then we solve the MCQs. So thank you, student. You listen me patiently